Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this car is Audi Q7 3.0 2016 model. Let's start the service. This is V6 TDI. Okay, so you need to open this one because oil filters, so cap you will find at the bottom. So before putting, it doesn't create any vacuum, so open it and keep it safe. After that, there are clips here, needs to remove other side as well. Yeah, after that just pluck it off. Yes, very easy, smoothly you can pluck it off as well. Just put this one here, or you can put and next step is remove this one. Yeah. So next step is remove this one by putting this one here. So there will be this cap you can find here as well. So you can see the oil filter at the bottom, that's the one. So you need to remove this one as well. It's a little bit hard, but it's fine, you can still remove it. Yeah, you can keep it aside. The thing is, now you have access, don't need to remove it proper way, so you still have access. Look at that, this is access, that's the oil filter. You need a flexi tool for that. This is the flexi tool you need to that, and this is 32 mm, as you can see that. So you need to put this one and this one. Yeah, so take a bucket, that's my waste bucket, be careful with that, a lot of oil will be in it, waste oil. So remove it, remove this one as well. Yeah, so I got a new oil filter from one of the company. This is the number of the oil filter you can order, you can buy online, very cheap price as well. That's the ring, you need to put the ring back on it. So you can see that already put it, just put it back to normal position. Yep. Start with the flexi wrench. Start. So the filter has been changed. So normal step, put everything back to normal. So there are clips in the back. So as you can see that I'm putting back to it. It needs to put this one back as well. Clip in, there's a clip at the bottom as well. When you take it off, you can get an idea for that. Yeah. So this one going into that. Yeah, that's it. So your trim, you can put it back. You can see that this is the bottom of the Q7. I have loosed this the bottom trim, and after that I need to lose this drain plug. So I've already loosed it. So drain plug is look like that. Yeah, you need to open with the torque, and after that you need to put 6.1 liter oil in it, and that's it. 5W30 you can use it, and so that your service and filter will be changed, and that's it. And please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.